Good morning friends. We are presenting a new AAC block manufacturing machinery technology from India. It is very unique and very simple machinery. It is one of the best simple and semi-automated AAC block manufacturing plant. It gives 100% efficiency of plant performance. Yet such performance not given by any machinery from India or other countries too. This is the simple and semi-automated slurry preparation in raw material section. Mainly it is common in all machinery suppliers, that is slurry preparation. But here is this supplier changes some equipment and reduces some preparation tanks, and it is the technology is very best than others. This is the screener, slurry screener. See how beautifully slurry is screened by the screener. All waste is removed and slurry poured into preparation tank. All these preparation tank, storage tank have branded pumps, branded gearboxes. This is slurry storage tank and lime bulker. Each slurry tank has branded or less cost gearboxes and pump also. This is automatic PLC control for batching. Very beautifully designed it. Branded panels are there, branded cables are used there. This is silo. Silo consists branded screws, screw conveyors, all way uppers, and mixer has unique design different than other. This is main mixer. Main mixer has beautiful and unique discharge chute. These are the molds, side plates and gasket quality are very highly branded. Design and durability is as compared to others same. This is unique discharge system of main mixer. And this is fully automatic ferry cart for moving filled mold to pre-clean room. It is fully automatic. This is the uniform rising of the all cakes because of discharge chute is very beautifully designed by this machine supplier. See, all are in same level. Tilting crane, loading crane, both having design same as like other suppliers, but it is very simple. There is no any value added automation added here. That's why both cranes have very low cost than other suppliers. In both cranes there is safety precautions is taken. They have provided safety alarm to each crane where during driving, during moving. This alarm is alarming and giving signal to all for safety. See, this is the tilting crane. Very easily it picks the plate. This is highly precise cutting machine. Here is 3-stage cutting machine, side scraping, horizontal cutting, vertical cutting. Now this tilting crane provide this field cake for cutting. See, there is no minor damage during demolding. Now cake is going for cutting. First cutting is side scraper, then horizontal and then vertical. Cutting car driven by chain type conveyor system. Cutting machine is highly precise with double scraper side cutting, and for top layer moving there is a blower, stamping roller for embossing our brand name, and 5 mm slotted brackets are there for precise cutting. Cutting machine is fully automated. Only single push complete the all operation of block mold for cutting. After vertical cutting, there is a red color vacuum blower. It picks the top layer waste of our cutting block. See, this is the blower. Now it picks the top layer and dropping now. It is fully automated. This supplier used branded material for making steam trolley with chain type dragger. It is semi-automatic. Now steam trolley received the cutting cakes and standing in front of autoclave. Autoclaves are manufactured with confirming all safety parameters such as material, locking, unlocking doors, vents, discharge valve, trap valve, safety valve and locking gearboxes too. It is very cost saving autoclave. It has dispatch with RT test, hydro test by taking all safety precautions. It has manually locking. Locking and unlocking is manual, but it is very cost effective. This is the boiler. After finishing the autoclave, finished product is ready for out of autoclave. Autoclave finished product removed by chain or wire rope type dragger, autoclave finished product removed by chain or wire rope type dragger, separation done by manually, but supplier can provide automatic segregation machinery too. Here is wire rope type dragger for autoclaving finished product, and segregation is manually. For inquiries of such machinery, call us on 7798436278 and comment on this video if any information you required. Share this video to all concerning people before deceiving by others. I repeat my number for purchase of this machinery: 7798436278.